Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to switch your Instagram to dark mode. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now click on your account. Press on menu. Now scroll down and go to accessibility and translations. Press on dark mode. If you want to switch your Instagram from light mode to dark mode, you just have to press on option. That's it. So this is how to switch your Instagram account to dark mode. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.